Imagine your ideal customer, not just seeing your product, but experiencing it through the genuine voice of someone just like them. That's the power of user-generated content ads for your Shopify dropshipping business. Forget those stiff, overly polished ads that scream sales pitch. Today, we're diving deep into crafting authentic UGC ads that build trust and skyrocket your conversions, even if you're just starting with dropshipping. Step 1. Identify your product's wow factor. What problem does it solve? What delight does it bring? Think about the benefits, not just the features. Grab screenshots from your customer reviews that highlight these solutions. Step 2. Source your UGC. This is your secret weapon. Reach out to happy customers for short video clips or photos of them using your product. Ask them to show how it solved their problem or made their life better. Authenticity is key here, so embrace the raw and real. Step 3. Script your ad with a story. Start with a hook that resonates with a common pain point your product solves. Then weave in the UGC, letting your customers tell the product's story. Overlay text highlighting those key benefits uncovered in Step 1. Step 4. Call to action. Amplified instead of a generic buy now. Use something like see how customer name transformed their problem area, or joy thousands who are loving product name. Point viewers directly to your Shopify store link. Finally, Step 5. Test and optimize. Run different versions of your UGC ad. See which customer stories and benefit highlights resonate most by letting your customers do the talking. You're building instant credibility and driving the sales you deserve. Start connecting, not just selling.